Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we'll start converting our web app into progressive web app. There are two main steps to turning a web app into progressive web app. That is adding the web app manifest and adding the service worker. Now in this video, we will be adding manifest.json file. So how to do this? In the root folder, create a file that is manifest.json. Now what next? We have to add the JSON file, the JSON code. I will okay. Now we have this JSON code. I will explain line by line what is saying that, and you have to modify as per your requirement. So my app name is CarZone. So, and this is short name of my app. This is CarZone. Start URL. Whenever I will click my app icon, it will redirect to my home page. This is why I have added dot. You can add as per your requirement, and this displays standalone. Background color is my semi blue, and you have to modify it as per requirement. So description is car selling application. Theme color is this semi blue only, and the main part is this icons. So as our app will be installed in different devices, so the requirements of icons is also there. So we have to add different sizes icons. So I have added 2 icons, but in practical we have to add 3 to 4 or more. Like add as much as you can, because it will enhance your user experience. Okay, so this is my path, and this should be match, guys. This should, whatever we are adding the sizes, so this should be only this. It should not be like this. I'm adding 96 by 96, but this image is 500 by 500. So I'm not talking about the image name, but in actual size. Okay, so because in background it will check, this is check mark, it will check if it is 512 by or 512. If it is not, it will throw an error. Now what we have to do, we have to link this manifest.json into our index.html. So like how to do this? Link rel is equal to manifest. Okay, sorry, did mistake. So link rel manifest href manifest.json, and now what we have to do, we have to add some meta tags. It will help your SEO. From that, this is important: meta name, theme color, meta name, description. You have to modify as per your requirement, and I will put this code in description. Okay guys, and then let's see how it is performing in our browser. Okay, so I will go to my browser, press share. Okay, now right click, inspect, and go to the application. Now we can see that in the manifest we have this manifest.json. Name is equal to CarZone, short name is CarZone, description car selling application, everything is registered, and you can see this theme color and the background color. And then we can see this, these are the icons we have this. So for this video we have done. If you have any doubt, tell me in the comment section, and please do like, share with your friends, and last but not least, do subscribe guys, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.